guys shot him. Why?
I don't know. I wasn't here.
Why? Because he had a warrant? Are you fucking serious? I was here. I watched it.
On April 11th, 2021, police stopped 20-year-old Dante Wright and his girlfriend. Officers found an outstanding warrant for weapons charge and decided to arrest Wright. Coincidentally, Wright's mother was on a video call with his girlfriend throughout the entire incident.
You did?
Yes! I grabbed the wrong fucking gun! I shot him! Oh my god!
Okay. Kim, sit down. Kim, take a breath. You're all right, Kim.
Officer Kimberly Potter aimed to prevent Dante Wright from escaping, but accidentally shot him with her gun instead of her taser, leading to Wright crashing his car as he had already started to drive away. Wright died from his gunshot wounds at the scene, and her mother, who had been on a video call with his girlfriend during the incident, arrived at the scene shortly afterwards.
Right, his mom, I want to see now, please. He's over 20.
I don't know what's going on.
I know what's going on.
What happened?
He faced that leg. Ma'am, I'm going to get you somebody to talk to. I'm going to get you someone to talk to. Okay? But I just can't have you going over there right now, okay?
Ma'am, my name is Mark. My name is Mark. What is it? What is your name? Can I only sit on the right show?
You guys shot him. Why?
I don't know. I wasn't here.
Why? Because he had a warrant? Are you fucking serious? I was here. I watched it.
Tell me what's going on, because I wasn't here.
No. Where's the girl that was in the car with him? You guys made her hang up Facebook Live so you could kill my son.
The officers wanted to help Dante Wright's mom feel better and explain what had happened, but she was heartbroken and clearly not interested in what they said.
It was a high-speed chase?
Brian,
How?
and then what's your son's name?
Dante Wright, it was not a high-speed chase. You guys shot him in a pullover traffic.
I
You
didn't
guys
do anything, ma'am.
Yeah, you did. He was laying in his front seat dead. His girlfriend Facebooked me. How did his car get smashed?
What's his name again?
Dante Wright.
Right? Is it W-R-I-G?
W-I-G-H-T.
Okay.
The officers then listened closely as she described that she had witnessed the whole incident during the video call.
You said there was a traffic stop and they shot
They
him?
pulled him over, and he said, Mom, do you have a warrant? I said, I don't know. They asked him to get out of the car. He got out of the car, and they said, wait, stop. They said, stop. And then she goes, and then they shot him, and he fell back in the seat. And he was in the driver's seat, and she said, they shot him. And I said, what do you mean they shot him? She said, yeah. And then they told her to hang up, and that was it. I don't know nothing else. So I had to call you guys to find out where this happened. Is he alive?
I do not know the condition. I don't
Are you
know.
guys serious? What are you talking to me for then?
Her girlfriend was injured in the crash but survived. The officer who shot Dante Wright was charged and found guilty of first-degree and second-degree manslaughter, receiving a sentence of 2 years in prison.